Hello, Walter. How are you? Good. So what is it we're going to do today?
We're going to check for queen cells and see how organized they are. I'll show you as I pull out the frames. I'm just putting a few puffs of smoke in there that alerts them. Then they fill themselves with honey. And when they're full of honey, then they get lazy, you know, then they don't attack. Okay, you guys go in there. These are supposed to be just honey, but sometimes the queen is not very organized and they mix it up. It's caked together with beeswax. You see that smoke? That settled them down. Now, if they come at your face, just walk away slowly. And now those guys are completely disorganized. I hope that those are in better shape. That looks like a honey frame. See? That's full of honey.
Oh, yeah.
And then they're going to cap that.
So you say they're going to cap it. Did they put some beeswax over each cell then?
Like this.
Gotcha.
Those are capped.
Anything I can do here, Walter?
No, you just watch it. Take pictures. That's a good honey frame. That's about 6 pounds of honey on that frame. And there again, there's no brood in it. That's the way I want it. On the top.
Now when you say brood, there would be...
I'll show you that later when we pull out a frame. So they're about 80% full of honey. And it's important to put them back into the same sequence when you take them out. And you move very slowly and steady, and then they don't get excited. And watch that you don't squash any, because they scream when you squash them, and then the others come to their help. Now here we have partial brood. Those are capped brood cells. They're babies in there. So, and let's continue now. What I do now, I try to find the queen and chase her downstairs. And then I put that grill in there. That's over there. that lets only the workers through, but the queen cannot go through. And she's hard to find. This looks suspicious. That could be queen cells, so I cut those out.
Why do you say they're suspicious in that they're kind of by themselves?
They could be queen cells or not. It's hard to tell. I'm a little late in the year. Usually queen cells are snow white. There's no queen because they're all full. She's probably downstairs. Now those are all worker larvae, except those bullet-shaped ones down there. Those are drones, male bees.
So most of these are female?
Yeah, they're
female worker bees?
Female worker bees. Now, they could lay eggs, but they're not fertilized. They can lay only drone eggs because they haven't mated. The queen has mated with a drone in spring, and she's got about 4 million sperm in her system, and then she dispenses the sperms one at a time to an egg and fertilizes it, and then a worker bee hatches out of it. And that eagle took off with a shout of joy. You could echo it back in the mountains. That was so nice to see that eagle take wings again. And about 3 weeks after, the Fish and Wildlife came and started to complain that we kept the eagle was protected. And then Bill just said, we saved his life. He would have died otherwise.
Yeah, we saved a small eagle up in Sand Point, Alaska.
Yeah.
And we raised it till it was full grown,
and then let it go.
And then let it go, and it always came back.
Oh yeah.
It always came back. Sat on the pier.
For the
it would eat out of your hand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that is so nice. Did you see that picture where they flew the geese with that girl in the ultralight?
I did see that.
Wasn't that nice?
Yeah. She flew all the way south with it. So now they pick certain frames. Some of the frames will be brood frames. Some will be strictly honey frames.
Well, ideally, you have both. You have the honey up above and the brood down here in a semicircle. But some queens haven't read the book, you know. You're going to do that every 10 days because that's how long it takes to hatch a young queen.
So you do this every 10 days?
Yeah. You see, those are drone brood. Those are boys. And then they're snuck in another queen cell. And when you cut them out, then they don't swarm. If they swarm, you lose about half your bees, because the mother bee takes off with the half of the population. And also when you insure them, you do it real slowly. They don't squash any bees. Now, a commercial guy wouldn't spend that much time, you know. If a guy got 500 colonies.
Right.
You need some more
Pine
pine
cones.
cones. You have some here.
I'll stick a few more.
Oh no, you're pretty good. You just need a little something.
Okay. That doesn't calm me down.
You ready to give it a try again?
Yeah, I think I'll put that veil on now.
You have to put them back into the same boxes?
Yeah, in the back one at a time. I think at least those. Let's see. It doesn't matter as long as they're all in the same way. You want to come in for a cup of coffee?
Sure. We've got a few minutes.
Okay.